A few kilometers off the northern tip of Cebu Island is Malapascua. Now, the Philippines are really known for their scuba diving, and what epitomizes the scuba diving here in the Philippines is right here in Malapascua. Why? Because it's one of the few places in the world where you can actually scuba dive with thresher sharks. Here in Malapascua, there are many options of dive companies that you can go with in order to see the amazing sights that you just saw. But the one I went with was Atlas Divers. The crew, the guides, very professional, competent, and their rates are affordable and very competitive. I'm definitely glad I went with them. So, yes, it is right next to the port too, which makes it even more convenient. But here on the wall, we see all the various dive sites. We were up there in Gato, as well as right down here in Monad and Monad Shoals. So, but if you have more time, there's a lot of dive sites. So, all right, thanks for watching. Dive on.